Today we're taking a look at the window blackout shades. I just pulled these out of the box. So let me actually pull these outside of out of the bag here so you can see exactly what they look like. I'm going to show you up close. So this is the 6-pack and they have adhesive on the one side here. And let me pull out the rest. This is the 36 by 72 inch. Easy to cut, easy to install, the white paper blinds. And we do have the instructions right here. And then we have the clips. There are 12 clips in the bag. And these are going to be easy to hang up. You can use these in a variety of windows, and you can see the nice pleated design here. As you can see, I have cut the blinds here, and I've put the clip on the end right here. And then I'm just going to move these all the way up. And I've put a little piece of double-sided tape on the end so I can stick that right there and then up here as well. And now you can see there is very little light that can come through here, and it looks really nice. It has that nice pleated look to it, super convenient, really easy to cut, and you can just make them whatever size you need to, and you can do it the fan way, or you can just do the straight up and down. I think these are going to be really nice blinds. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.